Bert's Garden!
Hi, I'm Bert. These are some of the daffodils that I like. They're small and they're very fragrant. Mostly yellow, some are white, and there are some other colors too, even some pinkish ones that I don't have. There are several groups of daffodils. They're called narcissus. They're called daffodils, jonquils. But people use all these different names for the daffodils. The daffodil experts have divided the groups of daffodils into 13 different groups. The most popular groups are the large flowering group, which blooms early, the poets, the tizeta. These are poets or tizeta. I'm not sure which, but they're very fragrant and they're smaller than the large flowering group. The large flowering group is not all that fragrant. It's best to plant the daffodils in the fall. They need a cool soil to grow roots for during the winter. Then the green leaves will come up during the winter. They won't freeze. They'll be fine and they'll flower on time. The daffodils need a well-drained soil. They don't like a wet, soggy soil. Their bulbs will rot. But they grow best in light shade or full sun. So once the flowers have gone by, it's best to pick off the flowers that have gone by and dispose of them. That way the plant won't make seeds. All the energy of the plant will be focused on building up the bulb for next year. You need to leave the foliage there. Leave it there until it turns brown, because that photosynthesis that carries on will build up that bulb. So you want to find out which daffodils grow best in your area. I found a clump of daffodil foliage growing in the back of my yard, and they were really thick, so I dug them up and planted them out in the sun so that they would grow bigger and bloom. And they grew bigger. I did it for a couple years and they budded up, but the buds never bloomed. These daffodils must have been discarded. They perhaps came from a florist, and the bulbs were forced, and they weren't really hardy for this area. So when the buds came out, the buds never came out, they just died. But the bulbs kept growing, so I had to discard the bulbs. If you like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to Bert's Garden here. Watch another video over here. That's all for today, you guys. Keep on gardening.